Today we're talking about Acer's Chromebook 516 GE and how it's perfectly primed for some cloud gaming. But first, let's briefly look over some specs. While the RGB keyboard won't improve your gameplay, it does make it easy to see the keys if you prefer playing in a darker environment. And you can choose from several defaults to find the color that you like. As for the hardware itself, a 120Hz display and 12th Gen Intel Core i7 P-series processor are more than enough to handle your cloud gaming. And at just 1.7 kg, it's quite light, so play wherever you like. With the hardware and specs out of the way, what really makes this Chromebook special over others? For one, it was built from the ground up with cloud gaming at the forefront of its creation. But let's quickly go over what cloud gaming is for the uninitiated out there. In a nutshell, cloud gaming lets you play games by streaming them instead of relying on a discrete GPU to handle the heavy loading. Instead, all that's needed is a decent internet connection, owning the game, and a client to access it through. Finally, you can play your games without fan speeds drowning out the ambient sounds of your favorite titles. Cloud gaming finally brings a way for all Chromebook users who have wanted to take up the gamepad but lacked the hardware or way to do so. I have to say, I'm pretty surprised at how well this runs. And the nice thing is I can rest my hands on the WASD keys without the heat from the CPU or the GPU, causing them to sometimes feel a bit too warm to the touch. With your game of choice purchased, you then need to access it through a client from a choice of three: NVIDIA GeForce Now, Xbox Cloud Gaming, and Amazon Luna. As long as your game is supported on whichever client you decide to go with, it'll be accessible with the Acer Chromebook 516 GE, with titles like Fortnite, Witcher 3, and Halo Infinite to name only a few. Let's load up another game. This time we're going with NVIDIA GeForce Now's top-tier graphics package, which should let us top out at 120 FPS and ray tracing on certain games. It's all pretty straightforward. Just link up your accounts, find the game, and play. No install is necessary, so it keeps your drives free from all the space those games take, which can be a lot depending on how large your backlog of games is. And what better way to play than with some verified gaming peripherals like the GH501 headset, the GM501 mouse, or the GC501 controller. If you've got this far, chances are you're ready to make use of the free 3-month highest membership from NVIDIA GeForce Now. Check out episode 1 for more info on that. To wrap up, whether you want to use the Acer Chromebook 516 GE as your daily driver or a new primary gaming device, it can handle either scenario. Give this new gaming Chromebook a go and you'll see just how good it is. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.